Constructor is a special method whose name is same as that of class name. Constructor is initialized to a global variables and the object global variables and the object the creation and the default constructor. Constructor is automatically if any constructor is the method whose name is as that of class name. Constructor is the creation of the create of the object and the to the initialized to the class and the there are three types of constructor: parameterized constructor, default constructor and copy constructor. Default constructor is the does not any arguments if the does not arguments is the pass of the elements, and the constructor is the no argument and the argument, and the in Java compiler automatically provide a default constructor to initialize the global variables and the only any parameters of the constructor, and the initialize the object with default values. And default constructor is the other constructor any default constructor provided automatically. And the default constructor is the no argument is the pass of the constructor. And the second, parameterized constructor is a constructor that allows you to the pass of the arguments and the when creating and the object of the which custom values and which custom of the values. And the parameterized constructor is the instead of the default values and the accept one or more parameters. It gives of the control over object and the control over object. It is the initialization. You can have multiple constructors with different parameters, and you can have a multiple constructor with different parameters. And three, copy constructor is used to create a new object. Copy constructor is the used to the create a new object and the on existing object in Java single parameter and the single parameter which is an object of the same class, which is object and the same class of the copy constructor. Copy constructor is used to the copy data from an object to another object. The syntax is the syntax of the similar copy constructor. Parameterized constructor, object of the same class and the same name is the copy constructor, and the copy constructor is used to the copy of the data from the object. In object is the another. And the constructor is the special method and whose name is same as that of the class name. Constructor is the automatically create of the object in the constructor is the initialized to the global variables and the to create a object, and the can call by creating object that constructor creating object by using the constructor which is the argument of the subclass. It is this call of the constructor is a private of the not creator. Constructor is the private of the not creator object of a class. If there are static methods in a class, then call without of a object static method can call by object. object, and the constructor is the automatically if don't if any constructor and the argument of the class, and the super and these